So, oh shit, I don't know how. So hi everyone, it's been a while that I've used the 1DX to vlog because I've been lazy. I've been using the RX 100, and yeah, I missed the 1DX now. So I think I might not be selling it now because yeah, I'm enjoying it. Not really, it's so heavy. This fucking car is just on my way. Okay, so I'm heading back to Faulkner right now to get some stuff. Yeah, I'll be cleaning the house this week because yeah, we'll be emptying it probably this week. And I'm gonna quite try to stop in one of those and see if I did it correctly. I've forgotten how heavy this camera is, and now I'm really struggling. But it's good that I'm carrying a 7 kilo skateboard every day. That way I'll get used to this camera. Kind of miss carrying this big camera. Yeah, and I bought a nice muff for the microphone, so it's gonna look cool and weird. I'm gonna catch a lot of attentions now. Anyway, gotta get back driving. I think I'm sleepy already. I'm still heading back to the old place. I'm gonna clean it up tonight. Yep. Okay, just caught up with the train now. Okay, so was not focused at first. I don't know what happened then. There you go. Okay, apparently I was vlogging earlier and I realized that I'm not in an autofocus. It's a newbie move I did with the 1DX now. It's been a while I've been carrying a heavy camera to vlog. I can't speak well, I think I'm sleepy now. But I need to go to Kohl's because I need to get some supplies. Just there. It's too bright, it's too bright. So I was trying to cut something to throw to the rubbish bin, and I hit my eye. It just went to my eye. My eye hurts. I'm heading home right now, but one of my eyes is so sore. Hope I'll be okay tomorrow. I'm not gonna end up with a black eye. Black eye. Fucking hell. Anyway, we need to drive. Yes, heading home to Box Hill now. White Horse Road. So yeah, it's quite heavy. I'm back to zero and using this camera right now. It's too heavy for my hand. Oh shit, it's gonna fall off.
There's a man next to you with a killer view of New York.
Okay, I'm home now and just arrived. I'm a bit tired because I was cleaning partly of the house and I was carrying all the stuff here, and yeah, and I hit my eye with something. Like I was trying to cut that thing and it went to my eye. I hit this eye here, and this one here is sore. I don't know what happened. And yeah, so I'm gonna try for the night now. See you on the next one. By the way, Laura's planking over there. Yeah, anyway, good night everyone.